or you see life, or you see yourself, or you see other people who relate to you. Them kind of poem. Do you have anything like that?
Yeah, but I don't have it in
You
this
have none
book
with
with
you.
me.
Some of the book you have. And people, if you see the book where she bring come, I say, man,
Big book.
big book like a Bible. And so, how much poem you think you write already?
A lot, and I even lose some of them sometimes with my poems.
Okay. So them going to turn up somewhere else with somebody else's name underneath them.
That's true.
You know if you copyright it?
No.
Hey, you don't know if you copyright it. I'm going to tell you if you copyright it. Just, for instance, when you see that book, you know, if you put it in a big envelope, you listen carefully,
Yeah.
put a date on the envelope. Well, them going to put date on it. You post it to yourself and don't open the book. Don't open the package. So you put the poem them in a package. You post it to yourself, and when it come to you, you just leave it and don't open it. That means, you know, if somebody come after now and say it's for them poem, you can have a date when you did post it, for you know, say, see there, this is the date when I did post the poem to myself. So if you come after now and say your poem, it can't be your poem because your poem did done already in an envelope with the date and time and everything on it. You understand that?
Yeah. Well, I learned something new tonight. I didn't know that.
Yeah, them call it poor man copyright.
Okay.
Poor man copyright.